In this video, we are going to discuss how you can score better in your CS exams by using the legal maxims in your answers. Before we proceed, please download the Excel Academy app, which is available for free on the Google Play Store for the company secretary students. The legal maxim that we have chosen for today is Audi Altrum Partem. What does this mean? This means listen to the other side or let the other side be heard as well. It is a basic principles of natural justice. This is to ensure a fair hearing and fair justice to both the parties. Under this doctrine, both the parties have the right to speak and no decision can be declared without hearing both the parties. That means opportunity must be given to both the parties. No order shall be passed by hearing only one side. So both the parties to the dispute or to the suit should be allowed to put their point of view before the court before any judgment or order is being given. So this is the basic principle of natural justice, that is, let both the sides be heard. Let's have a detailed explanation for this maxim. It is the principle that no person should be judged without a fair hearing. So no order should be passed against any individual without giving him an opportunity of being heard, in which party is given the opportunity to respond to the evidence against them. So no man should be condemned unheard. So there must be an opportunity of hearing, or both the sides must be heard before passing any order. In short, before an order is passed against any person, a reasonable opportunity of being heard must be given to him. So before passing any order, reasonable opportunity of being heard must be given to both the parties. Generally, it includes two elements. One is notice and second is hearing. First, you produce a notice to the person for being present before the court, and once he is present before the court, you should give him an opportunity of being heard. So the first element is notice, asking him to being present before the court, and second one is hearing, where after he is presented in the court, he should be given an opportunity of being heard. The maxim has its origin from Latin. What does it mean? It means to hear the other side or to give reasonable opportunity of being heard. Of being heard. That is, no order shall be passed without hearing both the parties. Let's have a look at the examples for understanding how you can use the maxim in the exam. The obligation to hear representation forms a part of Audi Altrum Partem principle. So the basic principle is to hear the representation of both the parties, right? Opportunity of being heard. Listen to both the sides, to both parties. So this principle forms the basic of Audi Altrum principle, that is, hearing the representation made by both the parties. Let's look at example number 2. The order may be ex parte, but does not mean that the ordinary principle of Audi Altrum does not apply or is not followed. Right? So as earlier we have stated that the two elements are notice and hearing. So the court sends multiple notices to the party to be present before the court, but the party willfully does not appear. In this case, the court will issue an order, that is the ex parte order. So here, since the person is not present before the court, there is no hearing. But because there is no hearing, you cannot say that the principle of Audi Altrum does not follow or does not apply. The basic element of sending notice and asking the person to appear before the court forms a part of Audi Altrum principle. So here, in case the notice also has not been sent, and even notice is not sent and the party has not been heard, then you can say that the audio alterum partem principle has been violated. But when the court is sending numerous notices for the person to be present before the court, but he does not appear, and then upon numerous failed attempts a order is passed, then you cannot say that the principle of audio alterum has not been followed. Let's move to example number 3. The order was quashed due to an irreparable failing of the audio alterum partem principle. So in this case, when the court has failed to follow the principle of audio alterum partem, in that case, the order can be quashed because the basic principle of natural justice has not been followed. So when a party proves that the basic principle of national justice, that is audio alterum partem, that is listen to both the sides or listen to both the parties, has not been followed, then the order can be quashed. So the basic principle of natural justice, one of the basic principles of natural justice is audio alterum partem, which means listen to the other side or let the other side be heard as well. So this is the basic concept of principle of natural justice. This is the maxim audio alterum partem.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can check for the other legal maxims in the description below. And yeah, please let us know in the comments box if you understood the legal maxim. See you in the next video with another legal maxim.